Hello everyone, this is Sarah. I have a few exciting announcements to make and I thought the easiest way to do it would be to make a video. So, announcement number one. Everybody knows LaraCroftCosplay.com. We've been around for almost 10 years. It's definitely old and it has a lot of heart and it's classic, to say the least. For the last 2 or 3 weeks, I've been working on transferring this website to a brand new, very optimized website that I'm very excited to share with you. It has everything that LaraCroftCosplay.com has in terms of tutorials and articles, reference, everything, right? Except that it's very optimized for mobile viewing. It's way better organized. Now, don't get me wrong, this website, the classic one, is not going anywhere. Like, LaraCroftCosplay.com will still lead you to the classic website. But instead of TombRaiderCosplay.com leading you to LaraCroftCosplay.com, it will lead you to basically a carbon copy of it that is much more optimized. And here's the thing, because it's modernized, I was able to include some pretty exciting features, like now you can make your own account and you can upload your own photos and blog posts. Once I approve you, you won't need to wait for me in order to upload your photos. You could upload directly to the site folders by going to account, post image, and then you go to you choose your file. I'm gonna choose just a random one of my cosplay photos. Let's say this anniversary one, and then I'll name it Sarah Croft Tomb Raider anniversary, and then go to the album. It's very important that you choose the album and select anniversary and post, and it should post instantaneously. And once that's done, you go to cosplay, all photos, Tomb Raider anniversary, and look at that. It should be right there. This is a duplicate because I've already uploaded this photo, but it shows up here and it opens up in its own little light box. The cosplay albums are organized by title. So for example, Rise of the Tomb Raider, you will find photos by me and by Carla and by any other people who will upload to this album. And it will just be like a shared community album where you can upload characters and costumes from that title. There's cosplay videos, community members, user blogs. So it has everything that the other website has, except for the 300 individual cosplay galleries. Also, there are a couple features that are pretty useful. We have a search box that is pretty accurate, and we also have an events tab that I thought that would be so useful because you could plan for conventions together right there, like events, and you click on that and then it goes to the page for the event E3 2018. There is also the ability to share. The social media integration never really existed in Lara Croft Cosplay, but now you can. Let's say you want to share this on Facebook, you could just click that and share it. And finally, one of the best things is there is translation now to some of the most common languages, and if you don't see your own, I could always enable it. So the second announcement is I got permission from from VIPFanAuctions.com to post their auction items, photos, as reference pictures for us, because these are literally the best kind of reference you will ever find, since they are straight from the movie. You will be able to just be as accurate as possible. So the third announcement is, if in case you didn't know, we have a brand new Discord server, which we use as voice chat and as a forum, because can't always talk about everything Tomb Raider in the cosplay group, which is specifically dedicated to Tomb Raider cosplay. But in the Discord server, we literally use it as Tomb Raider forums. You could talk about anything and everything. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really hope that you like everything that I have for you. I know I've been gone for a little while, but I wanted to come back with a bang. I wanted to make it up to you. I wanted to give you control over your own content upload, and I wanted to just solidify and tighten this community. Make it the greatest in the world. I love you guys so freaking much, okay? Mwah! Bye!